Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video will be a mystery box unboxing. So if you guys are interested in this unboxing, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's just begin. A little bit of information about this box. This is from Ofra, as you guys can see in the title. I got this like last week, no, actually just this week, and basically this is a $35 mystery makeup bag, and supposedly the value of this bag is $85. You get 4 or more full-size or mini makeup and stuff in here. They also have a Perfecting Beauty mystery bag where it's all skincare. That is also $35. I will link the mystery bag in the description so you guys can check it out if you do decide to get it after this video. But yeah, this is $35 and we'll see what we got. They do include bubble wraps and so they included this little hand sanitizer. This is cool. I will definitely be putting this in my purse. It's great that they're giving away hand sanitizer since hand sanitizer nowadays are very rare. So this right here is worth a lot. But I will keep this in my purse whenever I need it. So this is what the bag looks like. Again, you guys, this is only $35. Supposedly it's $85 value bag. But yeah, this is the bag. It's quite big, as you guys can see. Okay, let me compare it to my Ipsy bags. So this is an Ipsy bag and this is an Ofra bag. Like, look at the difference. It's huge. This is really nice for travel because you can definitely put a lot of stuff in here, and it has the Ofra right here logo, and it says Perfecting Beauty every day, and the zipper is teal. Really like the color too, but it's huge, you guys. Okay, I won't peek. Let me see. Oh, what is this? Okay. So the first thing in here is a makeup fixer. This is the light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long. Oh, that's cool. I like that. And it's pink. Oh, I wonder if this is a travel size. Guys, if I'm not giving you the price, I will just leave it on the screen so you guys know how much each product is, and to see if it do add up to $85. But I will just put the price somewhere in the screen right here if I do find it. But this is cool. It is a makeup spray. You can never have too many makeup sprays, so that's very, very cool. And let me actually try it on right now. I don't really own a lot of Ofra, so a lot of this stuff that maybe I'll be getting in this bag will be fairly new to me, because I only really have the Rodeo highlighter and a lipstick, the Miami by Kathleen Light. So those are the only Ofra I own. So this is new to me, you guys. Oh my god. Okay. That sprays like a water gun. Oh my god. Okay. First impression, not the finest mist ever. So just be careful. Oh my god, I hope it didn't ruin my makeup. Alright, so that was the first item. Moving on. Okay, what is this? The Cleanse It Off You Love Your Glam, but so this is cotton lip wipes. It has about 15 pieces and it looks like this. See, I didn't even know they had makeup wipes, you guys. should I open it? I shouldn't open it, but yeah. Okay, I like that. I like that because, you know, sometimes your lipstick really adhere to your lips, so sometimes it's really hard for them to come off, so you have to use certain types of products such as oil to take them off. But specifically just for lips, I wonder if you can use this as your face wipes. I might try it as face wipes actually, because I never really have problems with taking off my lipstick. But yeah, this is a cleansing wipes or cotton lip wipes. Okay, the next one in here. Ooh, okay. Ooh, what is this? Okay. It looks like that. It says Ofra banana powder. Oh, okay. I've actually gotten something like this from my Ipsy way back when. I don't even know, but it was like a refill kind of a banana powder without the component. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so it is just a yellow shade brightening powder. This is actually perfect for me because I am tan, as you guys can see, and I do have a yellow undertone. And I wonder if this is a full size or a mini size, because it's not, it's really little, so I'm gonna guess this is a mini size. I'm pretty excited that this is actually in the bag. Personally, I've never tried this product before, but because I gave mine away a long time ago. I really was regretting that I gave that away. I wanted to try that one so bad, but at the time I wasn't really thinking, so I'm glad this is in the bag. I can't wait to use this one. Okay. Okay, there's only 2 more products in here. Oh. Okay, this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick, and I do have this in Miami. Like I said, not this hot pink color though. I don't think I'll ever use this, so I'm not gonna swatch it. This is in the shade Santa Monica. I wish they would have just put like nude shades or like neutral shades or shades that everyone would wear, not like crazy colors like this. I guess this is the only downside, but I mean, it's still cool that we got a liquid lipstick, and their liquid lipstick formulas are bomb. So I will definitely give this to someone that would like this color, and I know just a person that would like this. Yeah, it is a really bright hot pink. And I guess there's one more in here. It's in a bubble wrap. I hope it's a highlighter, guys. I really hope. It is! Okay, so okay, it is bubble wrapped like that. Oh goodness, this is so cute. Okay, so this is the highlighter. It's definitely a mini size because I do have the Rodeo highlighter, and this is a small, way smaller size than mine. This is the Star Island highlighter, and it looks to me like a yellow gold shade, so perfect. And they have one of the best highlighter formulas, I'm just saying. See, look at that. Look how blinding that is. I'll get closer. Yeah. Ooh, I like that. I really like that. So it doesn't really come off as like goldy kind of shimmer, but it looks more of like a frost. Ooh. I don't mind it though. I'm pretty excited, and I'm glad this is in a smaller size because I can never go through a full-size highlighter. I have a ton of highlighter and I don't even know what to do with them, so I'm glad it's in a really small form. So yeah, that was the highlighter in Star Island, and I guess that's everything, you guys. Look how roomy the makeup bag is. I'm more excited that we got a huge bag like this than I am for the makeup that I got. So This is huge. Like I said, look how big this makeup bag is. Again, this is the Ofra Mystery Makeup Bag for $35. I will just put the total value right here. Hopefully it comes up to $85. Hopefully. But yes, so that concludes everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. Did you like this mystery makeup bag? I want to include other content in my channel, such as mystery makeup bags from other companies, and I just want to try it out, see how you guys like it. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.